That relentless ringing in your ears can feel like a siren that never shuts off. And when you are desperate for silence, you might find yourself looking at some pretty wild solutions. One device popping up lately is called the Tinnito Pen, and it makes some massive promises that almost sound too good to be true. It claims to use something called neuromuscular stimulation to calm down your overactive nerves in less than a minute. We are talking about 30 to 60 seconds to wipe away a condition that people struggle with for years. It sounds like a magic wand, right? But the reality is far more complicated and honestly quite a bit more frustrating. When you look at actual clinical neuromodulation, the kind scientists and doctors use in real medical settings, it involves weeks or even months of intensive treatment. It is a slow, methodical process that requires precision and professional oversight. So, the idea that a handheld gadget you bought off a flashy website can do the same thing in the time it takes to brush your teeth is a massive red flag. There is simply no strong scientific evidence to support the claim that these acupuncture-style pens can cure or even effectively treat the root cause of that ringing. Even more concerning is the lack of transparency from the company itself. If you try to dig into who they are or where they come from, you hit a brick wall. People are talking about this online, and they are rightfully skeptical. One user mentioned they could not find a single shred of information about the business behind the product. Transparency is the bedrock of trust, especially when it comes to medical claims. Without it, you are just throwing your money into a void. Then there's the marketing language. They use phrases like doctor recommended to make you feel safe, but they never show you which doctors or what studies they are referencing. It is a classic tactic used to build false credibility. If you look at the fine print on their own website, they actually have a disclaimer saying the product is not meant to diagnose or treat any disease. That is a direct contradiction to their main sales pitch. How can you promise a cure while simultaneously legally stating you are not treating a disease? It is a shield to protect them from legal trouble when the product inevitably fails to deliver. Dealing with chronic ear ringing is an exhausting journey. It affects your sleep, your focus, and your overall peace of mind. It makes total sense why someone would want to believe in a quick fix. However, these companies prey on that exact vulnerability. They wrap a cheap electronic device in fancy scientific-sounding jargon to make it look legitimate. Real relief comes from consulting with an actual audiologist or a medical professional who understands the complex mechanics of the inner ear and the brain. There are research-based therapies out there that can help, but they do not happen in 60 seconds. Stay cautious of anything that promises an instant solution for a chronic health problem. Your health and your wallet are worth more than a risky bet on a viral gadget that lacks any real proof of working. If you see these ads, remember to look past the shiny presentation and ask for the hard data. If the data is not there, the product probably should not be in your shopping cart either. It is better to stick with treatments that have a track record of safety and effectiveness rather than falling for a slick marketing campaign that leaves you with the same ringing and a lighter bank account. They bank on your frustration, but your well-being deserves better than a 60-second gimmick.